So why are electric pickups such a big deal? Instant torque means jaw-dropping acceleration and effortless towing, no waiting for power. Lower running costs and less maintenance save you money over the truck's life. No oil changes, no exhaust, fewer moving parts, just plug in and go. Silent operation transforms job sites and outdoor adventures, no more engine roar. These trucks are power stations on wheels. Run tools, power a campsite, or keep your house running in a blackout. Tax credits and incentives make them more affordable than ever. They blend the utility of a pickup, the speed of a sports car, and the tech of a luxury vehicle. No compromises, just more of everything. Whether you're working, exploring, or commuting, electric trucks deliver. This isn't a trend, it's the new benchmark. The electric pickup is changing what a truck can be. The future is versatile, powerful, and electric. And it's here now. The electric trucks of 2025 are just the beginning. Next-gen charging is coming. Think wireless pads in your garage, no cables needed. Battery swapping could make refueling as fast as a gas stop, especially for fleets. Autonomous features will get smarter. Imagine your truck backing up a trailer or navigating off-road by itself. Expect more sizes and shapes, from compact pickups to global models. Competition from around the world will drive prices down and tech up. Soon, electric pickup will just mean pickup. The benefits are too big to ignore. The question won't be, should I go electric, but which electric truck fits my life? The road ahead is silent, powerful, and coming fast. Are you ready? From the F-150 Lightning to the Cybertruck, Rivian, Silverado, and Hummer, electric trucks are the new standard. They're smarter, quicker, quieter, and more versatile than ever. Whether you're working, exploring, or just running errands, there's an electric pickup for you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more on the future of driving. Thanks for watching. See you next time.